Hi, I'm just making this video for Commerce Guys because I'd like some more help from them. I'm asking for a quote here, so I just couldn't explain it very well just in the text, so I wanted to give you a demonstration of what I'm trying to achieve, see whether you can help me. And here it is. So I'm making a module called Pop Out and Pick for this reason. Let's just get to the next tab. Right. I'm trying to remake this website in Drupal Commerce so I can retheme it and make it work better. At the moment, if you select different options in the for the items, it's hard to see to get information about what these things are about, and if there are any conflicts, like you might ask for an airflow seat cushion on a seat, but then have a different if you have a body link seat, an Ergomesh mesh seat, then it doesn't make sense to buy the airflow seat cushion because it's already mesh. I don't know, there are possible conflicts in it as well, but that's not what I want your help with. So instead of going through this, and then when you want to get your information for the product itself, you have to click on the title here, which isn't obvious that that's what you could do. Could do with a little help symbol of some kind. But I wanted to go one step further, and instead of putting all of the help on a separate page, then you've then lost your quote. You have to go back to get a quote, and then you have to reselect your items, and it's all a bit messy. I wanted it to all be in one page, pop out like this. So if somebody wants to change their arrangement of their bike, the way they want their bike, I'd like it to click on configure and buy, something like that, on their page, and then when they click on the different things to configure, they can then use Open Cockpit, and they want a nice comfy seat, so choose comfy, and what luggage rack they want. Not necessarily, it might work like this. But you see, I can't have my under-seat storage with a comfy seat, so I need to change one of these. So anyway, this is kind of how I'd like it to look, and I've put this as a demo. So I'll put that in my link here. So yeah. So I'm wondering if you can help me integrate this with your inline form entity model, and I'm using the entity API to store, not the entity API, it might be the entity API as well, but the entity construction kit to make the variables. So I've got the variables all made, I just need help integrating them into the inline form entity, so that, and also spin them out again to display them like this. I've tried making a different SKU for each product with each variation, but as you can see there are lots of options, and it runs into thousands of options and takes a long time to generate. And then when someone comes to change something, it's impossible to then run through all of those options and change them. So it's got to be as separate option, a custom. I don't know quite how to word it, but I need your help to move on to the next stage of the development, which is, so I've got a mock-up of how I'd like it. I've got the storage of the data, which I can. It's very easy to make the storage using the entity construction kit. So if I make the entity and provide the JavaScript that I'd like it to integrate with, and this is just a cover for. If you view source, you can see that it's just a standard option with options and then text after it. So all I need to do is be able to spit these out. I have had some experience in making displays before, but not for entities, only for text types and the like.